Thanks for coming by.
Oh my
man.
gosh, we are
Thank you.
so excited about this partnership
Yes.
that continues.
Yes.
It's gone on.
For years. I think doTERRA was our very first. Been with us for.
It's amazing the
From the
synergy,
beginning.
man.
Yeah.
OUR, doTERRA.
It's pretty amazing. And today is a really big day. So we're not going to take a lot of your time, but today is a day that a lot of parents are saying, okay, I know my kids are on the computer, but what do I look for? Like, what are some of the signs and how do I help my kids stay safe?
So most importantly, parents need to understand what every app does, what every game does, what Facebook does, what Instagram does, and TikTok and everything. The problem is most parents today, at least my age and older, we did not have the internet when we were our kids' age. So we don't get it. We don't understand what it's like to be a kid online, and we just don't fathom that predators could be in mass preying on our kids, and they are. It's the scary. They know how to do it. They know how to follow your daughters and your sons and how to pretend to be something they're not. So parents need to dig in and understand every single app their kid is using, make sure their kid understands every single app they're using, and make sure they're aware of the dangers. That's the number one thing, is just hold our kids' hands and make sure they see this is dangerous. You know, I tell parents all the time, would you let your 13-year-old daughter go bar hopping on a Friday night? Oh no, clubbing? No way. Would you let them have an internet access behind a closed door? Well, yeah, every night. That is more dangerous than the clubbing situation, I promise you. I promise you, pedophiles are waiting there.
And traffickers for too long had no fear that they could exploit children and there was no heat coming on them. Well, OUR changed that. OUR sent a message worldwide. We're coming after you.
We've made awesome progress. Are we going to do this? Are we going to beat this?
Yes.
Absolutely.
We now, I mean, we're at a point right now that I have more optimism than ever. People are talking about it, and it's thanks to Sean. It's thanks to doTERRA that people are getting loud, and it's happening. I see this wave. We could end this.
Let me say this, Missy. Tim and his team and doTERRA have awakened this whole movement. It's amazing.
It is.
Well, thank you both. I just feel personally blessed to have you both in my life, and
We do too.
the restoring hope is real. And thanks for everything you're doing.
Thank you,
Thanks,
Missy, and
Miss.
thanks to all of doTERRA for making this
The
happen.
wellness advocates
Yeah.
are here with us, and they
Awesome.
really want to do something. So, restoring hope, we're there.
Excellent.
Thanks.